maalalahanin at matulungin kahit kanino. Napakabuting niyang tao.
Si Mare, ang ganda-ganda niyan. I love you.
Sino yung Lily? Napaka-sexy at napakaganda niyan. Hindi mo nga akalain 60 years old na at napakabait pa.
Si Ate Lily ay maganda, sexy at malaki ang puwet.
Lala sexy. Si Lala ay maganda.
Lala is...
Wow!
Wow! Very good!
Si Lala ay maalalahanin.
Si Lala ay matulungin.
Si Lala ay mapagbigay.
Si Lala ang number 1 kong critic, ang everyday kong kausap, ang PA ko sa Pinas, at ang best friend ko.
Si Mami, lagi nakasuporta yan sa aming magkapatid ni ate. At lalo-lalo na sa mga apo. At number 1 kong nakuha kay Mami, ganito sa may mangot yan.
Si Lala ay very kind-hearted and very thoughtful.
Si Lala, she always give her unconditional love for everyone.
Hi, Lala. Lala is generous and loving. You're the best. I love you. Lala is so sweet because he's so sweet and kind to me, and she loves me.
Again.
I don't want to just sing. Hi, Lala. Happy birthday, Lala. Look at this. You have ice cream?
We miss you and take care and stay as cool as you are. We love you and see you soon. Bye! Love you. Happy 60th birthday!
Hello, Mother! Ate Lily, happy birthday! Stay safe always. God bless. Enjoy your birthday. At syempre, enjoy your retirement. Relax lang. Thank you sa support mo. Syempre, CIC pa tayo. And then, mas tawad RIC. At maraming salamat sa mga naibahagi mo. Ayan, nagbabakal tuloy. Ayan, ako pa rin yun. Bulol pa rin. Okay. Hindi pa rin nagbabago. Hindi maliit pa rin. Okay. So, salamat sa support mo, sa mga maibahagi mo sa amin. And na-share mo. Okay? So, again, enjoy your birthday. And have many more birthdays to come. So, good health always, and God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Lily, at maraming salamat sa Panginoon sa iyong buhay. Nawa ay mahaba pang buhay ang sa iyo ay dumating, not just long life, but a healthy, wealthy, long life. At syempre, punong-puno ng kagalakan sa piling ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Maraming salamat sa iyo, sa Diyos, sa iyong buhay. Happy birthday. God bless.
Birthday, Tita Lily. Happy birthday, Tita Lily. I hope you enjoy your double citizenship, and when this pandemic ends, sana magkita tayo dito sa Morong Rizal during your Visita Iglesia. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Ate Lily. Happy birthday. Pasensya na, hindi ako masyado active ngayon. I hope to see you very soon. Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Bye.
Hello, Ma. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay happy and healthy. We love you.
Hi, Mother! Kumusta na dyan? Yes, dito kami. Isang video na lang yung ginawa namin para parang mas yung greetings namin sa'yo. So, miss you, Mother. Happy birthday.
Hi, friend. Happy birthday. Siyempre, ang kapatid ko sa pangalaman sa roads nila. And happy days of us. Sa tawa ng convention. Happy birthday. Miss Dances and Rose.
Bountiful blessings, Tita Lily. Stay sweet as you are. Sabi ko nga, ang swat ay hindi kompleto pang wala yung Paulinas. And isa ka doon sa mga halili. Stay safe and healthy. Happy birthday! God bless you always. We miss you.
Ingat.
Hi, Ate Lily. Si Ate Lily po ay kasama ko sa Stawad since 1998. Sa kanya rin ako lagi nagre-request ng meeting dahil isa sa favorite ko na puntahan ng Tagaytay. Happy 60th birthday, Ate Lily. Have a blast. Enjoy life.
Hi, Lily. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and happiness in life. Miss you. I hope to see you soon after this pandemic. God bless. Bye.
Hi, Ate. Ako ulit. Meron pa isang hahabol.
Happy birthday, Tanini!
Happy birthday, Ate.
Thank you! Thank you sa lahat. Damo na yun. Alex from 222.
222.
San Francisco, Tagaytay.
Thank you, Ate. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lily. I wish you all the best. And mahaba pang buhay. Marami pang birthdays. Kay Kuya Payat. And good health always. And maraming salamat sa lahat. Alam mo na yun, Ate. Talagang kumbaga basta ang hirap i-describe. Pinaliwanag mo ang madilim na dinaanan ko noon. Maraming salamat. I will forever be grateful, Ate, sa lahat ng tulong mo. Thank you so much. I love you, Ate. Happy birthday. birthday. Pag-uwi ko ha.
Hello, Ninang Lily. Happy birthday. I wish you more blessings and good health, long life. Ayun na, nanggugulo na si Gab-Gab. Hope to see you soon and you'll meet Gab-Gab. Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lily! We wish you good health and more happiness!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lily! May apo ka na sa akin. Wish you.
Hi, Ma'am Lily. Happy birthday. Sana po lagi kayong mag-iingat. At kung saan po man kayo nakarating ngayon at ang ano po naabot nyo, sana po blessingan nyo po kami.
Hi! Gandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Lalo na po sa may nagdiriwang na kaarawan na nagsilbing magulang namin sa paghahanap buhay ng matagal na panahon at naging gabay, naging tagapagtanggol sa lahat ng bayan. Ma'am Lily, maligayang kaarawan po. At sana po maging masaya kayo sa araw na ito. At maraming pagtaon ang dumating na wala kayong mabigat na suliranin. Maligayang kaarawan po, ma'am. Carlo, paalam. Baksan pala yan. Sana po, lagi kayo masaya. Ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lini. God bless you always.
Mula po sa aming pamilya, isang taos puso po ang babati na isang maligayang kabuhay. Sa aming napakalaki, napakasip, napakalambang Diyos na pamilya at Muslim na bukas. Sana saputin pa po kayo ng maraming kaarawan at ligtas saan mang karamdaman, isang punto na inyong pamilya. Magpapasalamat po ako sa lahat na nagtulong sa amin. Hindi po niyo kami pinabayaan. Kahit paminsan-minsan nagkakamali kami, sinusuportahan na kami. Hindi po namin tumakalimutan. Muli po, happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless and keep safe.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo aking magandang kumare. Sana matapos na ang pandemic na ito nang tayo ay magkaroon ng isang malakihan at masayang pagdiriwang ng iyong kaarawan at na makatikim naman kami ng iyong handa. Pwede rin namang ilalamove mo ang iyong handa. Okay ba? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Love you! Happy birthday, Ma'am Lily! God bless po! Ingat lagi, Ma'am! More birthdays to come! Bawal ang celebration kasi MCQ tayo, so keep safe! Enjoy po kayo with your family po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nini! God bless, stay healthy, and keep safe. Enjoy your special day.
Hi, Ma'am Nini. Happy birthday. Parang wala na akong mawiwish sa inyo kasi nasa inyo ng lahat. Masasabi ko lang po, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga tulong and payo na binigay nyo sa akin nung nandun pa tayo sa office. Ikaw yung naging kaibigan, nanay, kakampi. Yun. Thank you po. Hindi ko makakalimutan yon. At sana po ma-enjoy nyo tong day na to kahit na pandemic tayo ngayon. And sana wag kayo magbago. Alam ko super blessed kayo kasi super bait din. Yun lang po and enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lily! Enjoy your special day. We miss you. Happy vlog!
Lily, mula sa aming mga Board of Directors, binabati ka namin ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Birthday nga ni Lily! Birthday nga ni Lily! Birthday ni Lily ngayon! Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Lily! Get out!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lily! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong niyo at sa inyong mga payo.
Happy birthday, Ninang, at sana ho ay bigyan pa kayo ng maraming kaarawan at malusog na pangangatawa.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po!
Hi, Ma'am Lily! Happy 60th birthday! Having a friend, an older sister, and a mentor like you is such a wonderful gift from God. You are truly an inspiration. You know, life have thrown me lots of challenges, and you've been there for me, giving me sound advice and both moral and spiritual support. I am grateful that you've been part of my life. You deserve all the happiness and love in life. Wishing you more years of good health and prosperity. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, and I wish you more blessings to come and your good health. Kumusta na sa Ninong Nelson at saka yung mga anak, kay Day and Nico and the family? Kumusta na sa yung mga pinsan dyan, sa mga tropa? Maraming salamat at nagbibigay ako ng kapasong mensahe para sa iyo. I miss you so much and I pray that you'll be okay every time. Hi, Nina. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang Nini. Pasensya ka na. At ngayon ako nakapati ulit. I miss you so much. Ingatan niyo yung mga sarili dahil sa COVID. Kaya ng Ninong Nelson. Kumusta na sa lahat. Kumusta sa mga tropa. At sa iyo mga kamag-anak dyan. I miss you all.
Hi Ninang! Happy birthday! God bless you! And ingat lagi. Hope to see you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lily! God bless you! Sunod po kami dyan.
Sa iyong ika-anim na pong kaarawan, Nini. Welcome to the club ng seniors. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon, ano. Parang kailan lang tayo ang mga young ones. And ngayon, young ones. Anyway, hindi ka naman nagbago. Ganda pa rin, syempre. May God bless you always. Enjoy your day.
Hi BFF, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and stay beautiful. God bless you and miss you. Love you. I hope to see you soon.
One, two, three, go.
Happy birthday, Lala! We love you! Stay safe!
Happy birthday, Ate Lily! Hi, Ate Lily, happy birthday. Ang wish namin sa iyo is, siyempre, long life and happiness always. At sana nga matapos na itong pandemic para maituloy na uli natin ang ating banding lagi. Alam mo naman, ikaw yung aming leader of the band. Contreras Gang and Titas. Kaya sana laging panatilihin pang malakas ang iyong katawan. At para tayo ay lagi pa rin magkakasama, mga magpipinsan. At sana makapag-travel pa ulit tayo ng marami pang lugar na mapuntahan natin. Again, Ate Lily, happy birthday! We love you! God bless!
Hi, Ate Lily. Happy 60th birthday. I wish you all the best. I miss you. I love you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Stay safe and healthy.
Happy 60th birthday, Ninang Lily, ang Ninang Bayan. Sana po lagi kayong maging masaya, malusog, enjoy life to the fullest. Salamat po sa lahat ng naitulong niyo sa amin, sa aming pamilya. Salamat po sa lahat ng inyong kabutihan. Sana po ay magkaroon pa kayo ng marami pang birthday i-celebrate. At laging maging masaya, yun na naman, laging maging masaya. Ilang po ang wish ko sa inyo. At marayo kayo sa lahat ng panganib, sa lahat ng karamdaman. At manatiling maganda. Happy birthday, Nina. Wala na ka masabi. Thank you. Love you, Nina.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Lily. Ang aming pinakamagandang pinsan. Sana magkaroon ka ng masaganang kaarawan, magkaroon ng mahabang buhay, magkaroon ng maraming blessings. Enjoy lang ang senior citizenship years. Happy birthday!
3 ready.
Nagulat ka, Lala. Artista na kami. Nasa TV kami ngayon. Kasi birthday mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nene.
Happy birthday, Lala. Wish ko lang sana good health. At alam ko naman, nasa iyo na ang lahat ng blessing. Patuloy pa rin ang blessing sa iyo para marami kang magpatulungan, Lala. Alam ko naman na ikaw ay mahal na mahal namin. Sana ngayong 60 ka na ay beauty pa rin. At sana mawala na ang COVID at sa pamilya natin dako ng sakit, ng kahit anong karamdaman, at sa lahat din na sana huwag silang magkaroon ng kung anumang sakit, lalo-lalo na ang COVID, Lala. Yun ang wish ko sa birthday mo. Salamat nga pala sa sa amin ni Day ngayon. Imbita sa amin ni Day. Salamat. Sabi nga niya, isa ko kami mag-wish sa birthday mo. Kaya happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nini.
Happy birthday, Lala.
Hindi ka mukha naman 60 eh. Sino ka na ba?
At maganda pa rin, Lala.
20% pwede na gamitin.
Maganda ka pa rin para sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Lala.
Okay, love you. Love you. Happy birthday ulit. Best wishes sa iyo. At sana abutin pa mahabang maraming birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Lily. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Lily. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Greetings from Maryland, USA. Happy 60th birthday. We wish you many more birthdays to come. And we hope you stay safe and healthy. We love you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Ate Lily! Happy 60th birthday sa'yo! Wish ko more God's blessings and good health. Thank you for being a friend. Ate. And a kumare to us. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Hi, Pisan. Para sa pinakamabait, pinakamaganda, pinakamaalalahanin kong Pisan at paboritong ninang ng lahat. Wish ko na nawa ay pagkalooban ka pa ng mahabang buhay, lakas ng katawan, at laging ilayo sa anumang karamdaman. Happy birthday!
Bye! Happy
Cheers!
Happy birthday po ulit!
Happy
birthday, Tia!
Nini!
Happy birthday, Lola Lily! Happy birthday, Tia! Enjoy your senior year and may you have many more years to come. Please know that you're very special to us and we love you.
Happy birthday, Nini! Nawa, sapitin ka ng maraming taong karawan na malakas at malusog ang katawan. We love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Lily. Happy 60th birthday sa'yo. Wishing you good health, more years to celebrate. Stay pretty and blessed. At thank you sa lahat ng kabaitan mo sa aming pamilya. Love you always. Happy birthday.
Hello, happy 60th birthday, Nini.
Happy 60th birthday
More
po,
birthdays
Tia.
to come.
Enjoy your day po.
Hi, Nini. Alam mo naman, ikaw yung aming sister at simula pagkabata. Yung ating mga childhood days na talagang kapito ko tayo. And now we are both senior. Just enjoy our seniorship. Ano pa ba ang mahihiling mo? We are fully blessed to the wonderful family, relatives, and friends. At ang wish ko sa iyong birthday na to ay just continue to have a good health, healthy living, and happy senior's birthday. And God bless and keep safe always. And stay beauty up to 100 years. Alam ko naman na ikaw ay senior pero hindi naman halata, diba? Dahil always kang maganda, beauty. Kaya ikaw ang aming number 1 sister.
Hi, Nini. Good day.
Hi.
Good day.
Happy
And happy 60th birthday sa iyo.
Welcome to the club!
Happy birthday. Laging mag-ingat. Lalo na yung health mo. And enjoy your day with your apos and your minister. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sisi! Happy birthday, sister! Happy birthday, my dear sister! Love you! Stay pretty! Stay healthy!
Yes, sa pinakamaganda kong kapatid. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Walang kukontra.
Happy birthday, Mami Nene! Happy birthday, Nene!
Oh. Happy birthday!
God bless! God bless you!
Cheers! Cheers!
Yeah, cheers!
Happy birthday, Lala! More birthdays to come. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lala! Stay healthy, keep safe, and God bless! Love you! O, diba?
Happy 60th birthday, Mami Nini. We wish you good health, more birthdays to come, and more blessings. We love you. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Lily. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health. Tiling ko sa Diyos na magkaroon ka pa ng maraming masasayang birthday celebrations. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng iyong kabutihan. I wish you all the best. Mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Lala!
Happy birthday, Pinsan. At wish namin dito na magkaroon ka ng mabuting kalusugan, mahabang buhay, at continue to be a blessing to everyone. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Lala. Lala Lily. Mag-birthday ka hanggang gusto mo.
Hello, Mare. Binabati kita na isang maligayang kaarawan. 60 taong punong-puno ng biyaya ang buhay. Sana'y patuloy ang mahimalusog at mabiyayaan pa ng mahabang buhay na kasama ang lahat ng mga minamahal mo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nini. Stay safe and healthy.
Happy birthday, Lily! You've always been one of the kindest and most caring lolas to us. Thank you for always being there for our family, especially for Mama. God bless you always.
Regards to Tio Nelson today and to Nico and their families. Bye! See you soon!
Hi, Ate Lily. In behalf of my family, Edwin, Yowin, and Adriel, binabati ka namin ng happy 60th birthday. Wish namin na God will grant you more and more life. Everybody knows that you've always been so beautiful in and out. Again, happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lala. Stay beautiful and healthy. We love you. God bless. Ayun, Lala, we love you daw.
Happy birthday!
ABC.
Wow! Amazing!
We love you, Lala. Smile. Happy birthday, Lala. Thank you po for the love. Always stay safe and beautiful po. We love you po. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lala. Thank you po for the love. Always stay safe, healthy, and beautiful. Eggs! Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lily! Sa mga magpipinsa natin, ikaw yung isa sa pinaka-generous and religious. Maraming salamat sa mga sinishare mong blessings sa amin. Wishing you good health and long life. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Lily. Ang wish po namin sa inyo ay magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. I-bless ka pa ni Lord ng mas maraming blessing. At thank you sa lahat. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Lily! Hope you have a good birthday and eat lots of food for cheat day. Cheat day! Yeah! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bye!
Nini, welcome to the club!
What club?
Senior club!
Oh, the senior club. The dogs say happy birthday too. That's Charlie and that's Sparkles. Okay, love you.
Bye!
Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ninang Nini. Happy birthday po. Wishing you more birthdays and blessings to come. Enjoy your day po. Have a blast.
Nini, happy birthday. Simple lang ang greetings ko sa'yo. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day and long life. Mahal na mahal ka namin magpipinsan. Tandaan mo yan.
happy birthday, my very dear Nini. May God bless you with many more birthdays to enjoy and celebrate with good health and happiness. You are such a wonderful person and an inspiration to everybody around you. Stay young and beautiful inside and out. Continue to enjoy life now that you are also already retired. Mag-relax na lang talaga kayo mag-asawa. At sana ay matapos na itong pandemic na ito at na makapamasyal naman tayo lagi. And also pray that we both continue to serve the Lord sa mahaba-haba pang panahon. So enjoy your life. Happy 60th birthday. And I love you so much, my very dear Nini. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy birthday again.
Mare, congratulations for the 60 years of blessings. Praying for your good health and more celebrations. We only live once, enjoy it. Hopefully, the next celebration will not be under the pandemic. From us, happy birthday at maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. God bless you more and always.
Happy birthday! Wow, senior citizen na. Dual citizenship na. Pero, age lang naman yung pagiging senior citizen, pero sa mukha, di pa din naman ano. Very thankful na isa ka sa naging dahilan para magkaroon at mabuo yung banding ng Batch 78. Ikaw ang isa ka sa naging daan para laging magkakasama ang Batch 78, although lagi ako ngang absent. Pero doon naman sa GC namin, lagi akong updated dun sa mga ginagawa nyo, sa mga happenings nyo. Ilang dekada na rin tayong magkasama since high school. Although hindi man tayo ganun kabarkada ng high school, napulamang yung friendship natin sa FYM. Tapos naging sa simbahan. Tapos ngayon, sa Combre, magkasama pa rin tayo. Tagal na, no? Tapos naging abay pa rin kita sa kasal ko. Hindi man tayo yung typical na magkaibigan na laging kasama. Kaya magte-text pa rin man tayo sa isa't isa. Isa ka rin sa naging dahilan kung bakit kami ni Lolo B ay naging kami. Ilang taon, malapit na rin kami mag-38 years na kasal. Ikaw ang naging dahilan. May-away kami. Andyan ka. Ayan si Nelson. So, di pa. Noong kami ay bata pa daw mag-boyfriend. Wish ko lamang ngayong birthday mo na enjoy lang. Kasi kahit although may mga pandemic at hindi natin i-celebrate yung nais natin celebration para sa birthday, pagpasalamat din natin na na ligtas tayo doon sa pandemic na ito. At panalangin din natin lagi na mawala na ito, mawala na itong virus na pinagdadaanan ng hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo. Happy birthday uli at maging masaya ka sa mga darating pang panahon. I love you and God bless.
Happy birthday sa iyo. Sana ay abutin ka pa ng 120 years taon at wala kang karamdaman na sana'y lagi tayong magsama-sama habang tayo nabubuhay. Pagpalain ka nawa ng Panginoon Diyos. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa iyo.
Okay. Hi Lily, hi Lo. happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and happiness. At saka, ay wala na kasi you almost had everything. Tapos, sana hindi ka magbago. Kahit magputi ng buhok mo. Kasi ako matagal lang maputi ang buhok ko. Love you. Tawa ng tawa sa inyo.
Hello Lily, happy birthday. Sana ay huwag kang magbabago sa ating group, sa ating batch. Dahil ikaw ang isa sa naging daan upang mabuo ang ating samahan, ang ating batch, na lagi nagsasama at masaya. Ngayon nga lamang, bawal maganda, kaya babatiin ka na lang namin ng happy birthday. Sana ay bigyan ka pa ng malakas na pangangatawan at maraming kaarawan para sa mga susunod na taon kami din ay makakapunta na rin. Happy birthday. Yes. Happy birthday. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lily. Sana maging masaya ka sa kaarawan mo at huwag kang makakalimot sa aming mga batch mo. Sana lagi tayong magkakasama sa mga lakaran. Sana huwag kang magbabago. God bless you more with your family. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sister Lily. Happy birthday sa'yo. Dito na ako nagbati sa'yo kasi tamang-tama naman. Nandito si Mama Mary, Halabin Lourdes, at ipinananalangin ko na nawa pagkalooban ka ng mahabang buhay, lakas ng katawan, kasama ang iyong mga pamilya, at gayon din magkaroon pa ng maraming kaibigan sapagkat alam ko na ikaw ay puno ng kayamanan ng mga kaibigan, puno ng kayamanan ng material, at lalo higit puno ng pag-ibig na galing sa Panginoon. So muli, happy birthday meet, friend, tropa, lahat na, I love you. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
Hi Lily. Magandang buhay. Happy birthday. And sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday na malusog at walang problema. Alam ko nasa iyo ng lahat. Wala na kaming mawiwish sa iyo. At sana good health na lang. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. I love you. At thank you nga pala sa lahat-lahat na dapat kong pagpasalamat sa iyo. Ingat. Ciao.
Happy birthday. So ang wish ko sa iyo, good health, long life, ano pa ba? Always keep safe and always be a blessing sa iyong kapwa. Alam ko marami ka natutulungan at matutulungan pa. That's all. God bless you always.
Hello, Lily. Wishing you all the best on your special day. Let us stay happy. Let us stay beautiful. Happy birthday.
Hi, Lily. Happy birthday. It's been ages. Medyo matagal na tayong hindi nagkita. Dual citizen ka na, so may 20% discount. Congratulations. Anyways, all I could wish you is a long and blissful life so that you can continue to be a channel of blessing to all the people around you. I know na ikaw ay isang mabuting kaibigan, isang mabuting anak, asawa, ina, at lahat-lahat na. So, we're so lucky to have you as our friend and classmate. Stay healthy and beautiful and enjoy a long and fruitful life. Ipinapa-extend din ni May ang greetings for you since hindi siya makakapag-video at medyo nahihiya. Charot. Anyways, again, happy birthday. I'm sending you smiles for every second of your special day. And have a blast. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lily. More birthdays to come. Mag-wish ko sa'yo. At saka salamat sa Panginoon sa pagbibigay sa akin
kagaya mo. Dahil kung wala ka, ikaw yung isa sa mga nag-aasikaso sa ating batch na maging successful yung ating mga activities. At masasabi kong ikaw ay maswerte sa pagkakaroon ng isang pamilya. Very supportive sa iyo. At saka napaka-accommodating mo, napaka-bait, napakaganda. And ayun, love you! Happy birthday!
Hello, Mare. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang ay long life. Continue to be a blessing to others. Stay happy and beautiful. Mare, maraming salamat sa lahat.
Hi, Lee. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko ay nai-wish na ng mga naunang greet. So, para lang maiba, ang wish ko ay mabuhay kang gusto mo hanggang kaya mo. Please, happy birthday.
Lily, happy birthday. I just wanna wish you a happy birthday. You have almost all the best in life. Kaya ang wish ko na lang sa'yo is to take good care of yourself, to always be healthy and happy. And all the blessings and all the best things in your life will continue. And God bless you. More power. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Nini! I'm taking this birthday as an opportunity to thank you for all that you are to me. I will never be able to forget the support that you have given me. Happy birthday! I wish you all the best and all that your heart desires. Siyempre, inihanda ko ng Senior Citizens ID mo! Happy birthday!
Hello, Mars. Kumusta na ka na pare dyan? Happy birthday, ah. Magbe-birthday ka pala sa 20. Happy birthday. Wish you and more birthdays to come. And lagi lang tayong healthy. At sa lahat yung mga anak natin sa Singapore, yung apo, si Martina, malaki na. 2 birthday na, hindi natin makasama sila. Okay lang, at least alam natin sila sa maayos ng healthy lang sila lahat. Enjoy your day, Maria. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. Oh, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Mare. Happy birthday. I wish that you receive more blessing because you are a blessing to others. Stay pretty and healthy. Thank you for being a good lala, Cassie, Kobe, and Martina. Lagi kaming nandito, Mare, like this plant that you given to me na lagi kong aalagaan. We wish you all the best and God bless.
Hi, Nini. Happy birthday to our beautiful inaanak and kamag-anak. Your Ninong here and I are so proud of the person you've become and so fortunate that we got to see it all. Lalo na ako, I have witnessed your teenage life from your high school way back 1940. You were still sporting Dora Lu. And your Ninong Louie naman, you've been with him during your TCWD times. So, anyway, today is the anniversary of your birth. Wow, 60th pandemic birthday. 60, para namang unbelievable because para namang you don't look 60, parang 59 and a half lang. So, I believe birthday is a transition from what was and what is to be. So, yung what was ngayon, that was the last 59 years of your journey through this life from the moment you were born up to the last 59 years. Yung journey na yun, siguro, it wasn't all that smooth. Yung hindi naman ganun ka-smooth la ang buong 59 years, probably. There were ups and downs. There were storms na dumaan. But in the midst of all this that you went through, eto ka pa ngayon. You are still here, standing and beautifully and celebrating a very memorable part of your life, your 60th birthday. So, again, happy birthday. So, sabi ko nga, a transition of from what was and what is to be. And so, yung what is to be, we don't know yet what is to be because only God knows it. So, what is being held in the future, it depends on Him. So, but it starts now during your 60th birthday, yung what is to be. And I know it started. Kung wala yung what was, wala ring what is to be. So ano yung what was na yun, naging you became a successful career woman, and you are a devoted wife to Nelson and loving mother to Day and Nico, and of course to your grandkids, itong mga apo na ito, they are our joys. They give joy to us, especially now that parang very boring ang life in the midst of this pandemic. Kaya kailangan natin ng nagbibigay ng joy sa atin, and one of them ay ang ating apo, ang ating mga apo. So, I believe na kung paano ka nag-start, I know what is to be. I know you will just continue that. Yung from successful career woman, I know you will also be a successful as you venture into another what they call this, into being an entrepreneur. And I know you will be successful because I know how a strong person you are. I know how strong you are because you are a person with a strong faith in God, and being a very strong woman, that makes you who you are. Yung pagiging God-fearing, malapit sa Kanya, at hindi nakakalimot sa Kanya, yun ang nagpapalakas sa atin. And we are all looking forward to what to happen or what it is to be in the future. So, happy birthday again. 59 is really a huge, napakalaking blessings from above, from the Lord. And we're looking forward to another more years to come. Of course, I will not say another 59 years because that's very unreal. So, again, happy birthday from all of us. Thank you for giving me the chance to be part of your pandemic celebration. Yun nga lang, we're so near, yet we're so far. So, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Greetings via live stream, and then wala nang sayang because of this pandemic. Anyway, you can make it simple lang celebration but meaningful and memorable.
Mama, happy birthday sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa mga taon, sa mga araw at taon na lumipas, na nandito pa rin tayo at kasama ang mga bata at higit sa lahat ng mga apo mo. Lumalaki sila, nakikita natin at nagagabayan. Ang akin lang ay higit akong nagpapasalamat sa iyo sa pag-aaruga sa amin ang mga bata, sa lahat na. Kaya happy birthday, keep safe, and happy retirement sa iyo.